kinds of stickers that you can make. This is the vinyl that I just get at Michael's. It comes like 12 by 12, but you can get rolls as well, which are like more expensive. I just did a drawing on paper and then I scanned it, and just on like Microsoft Word, I just like multiplied it 6 times, went to Staples and printed it on adhesive paper that I also got at the dollar store. It was like $1 for 10 sheets. And then it cost 13 cents to print it. And then I just put like a clear vinyl over top of it just to make it look nicer, because if you put this on a water bottle or get it wet, it is gonna just like kind of flake off. So I thought it was like worth it to put the plastic over it. So that's one way if you want to like make stickers out of drawings. That's like a really easy, cheap way to do that. These ones, this is a print that I sent off to like get a sticker made out of it. So that's like another way that you can make stickers too, is just to like take a picture of something that you've made and like send it to like a website, or there's like apps and stuff to make stickers as well. For vinyl stickers, you can either do freehand or templates. So for templates, you'll notice that there's multiples of them because you can make, they're super easy. Like once you have the stencil made, you can just trace this on as many times as you want, just cut them out, and it's kind of like a machine, like the way that you make it. It's just the stencil for this one. So you can either have the M in red or white. I ran out of white, so I used silver. So it's really easy. You just trace it on and like stick them on. I just used cardstock, so you can just draw on here, cut out your stencil. If you don't want to use any of mine, you can just make your own. So I think someone said they wanted to make a cat last time, so if you just drew on a cat, you can cut it out, trace it, and then you can make as many cats as you want. For these are the freehand ones. So you literally just like turning the vinyl over, drawing on the back, and just like cutting it out that way. I should say that when you're thinking about designing a sticker with vinyl, you should think in like color blocks. So you can't really have like fine detail, like anything smaller than your pinky nail, it's probably not going to work out great. That happened with my kiwi. I tried to make like a detailed kiwi, it doesn't work. Like these little circles and stuff, they're like a pain in the butt. So just like really think blocks of color. So they're all basically just like collages. For this one, the whole background is black, and then I put a silver sticker over top of it. So it's not like these little black dots weren't put on individually, they're in the background because the eyes are cut out. So they're just like mini collages, basically. A little scream sign. You can make whatever you want just by drawing on this, or you can draw directly on the vinyl if you really want to like freehand it, or you can make your own templates using the cardstock. When you draw on the letters in the back, instead of doing a B like a normal B, you have to do it backwards. So you have to think everything backwards too. And yeah. For these ones, I used, for the outside circle, I traced a toonie, and for the inside circle, it's a quarter.